Everybody, we got spring broken. Yep, that piece is broken and we're gonna replace it. But my tip to you guys, this is to put two springs in the middle. Now it's one, it should be two. That's why it's broken so fast. It's two car garage with one spring. This is definitely not correct. Should be two springs in the middle, right there. This is my tip to you. Hello everybody, it's about the garage door spring system, torsion springs. So why the reason to put two new springs in the middle and not to put one? So the answer it's two springs in the middle of the door. It's more life, it's long life for the springs, because the springs have life limit. If you put one spring, it's gonna work, but not for a long time. Two, much more time. That's why. So if one spring's gonna work for 10 years, so two springs it's gonna be for 20 years. So it's big difference. Remember that. Two better than one.